So welcome back to our channel 1-2-Step. In this video, I'm going to be teaching you guys on how you can withdraw money from your Bitget account. So guys, if you're trying to withdraw money but you don't know how to do so, then this video is for you. So let's get right into it. Just go ahead and open the app first, wait for it to open, and now select your home button and you can find so many options in this page. You can find earn, Bmax, receive, BWB staking, and more. If you tap on more, you can find even more options, but the option that we need is right at the front. So we just need to go ahead and tap on earn. And guys, once you're here, you can see the withdraw option right here. So guys, once you tap there, you can see all of your funds. So if you have enough funds, you would be able to withdraw them. Since I don't have any, so I can't withdraw them, but so let's say if you're trying to withdraw this BWB here, and it'll tell you how much funds you have available and how much you have frozen. So guys, there's deposit and withdraw option. So we just need to tap on withdraw, select the mainnet, write down the receiving address and write down the amount and just tap on confirm. And in this way, you can successfully withdraw money from Bitget. Guys, there you go. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you found this video helpful, please leave us a like and drop us a comment down below. And if you want more helpful videos like these, then please subscribe to our channel. We'll see you again next time. Thank you for watching.